I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. Many things are upon you. Slow yourself down. The vibration of divinity is yours. Own it. Own it. Feel the light moving within you. Feel the force of your divine nature and recognize your ability to transform, transmutate. Recognize the power in that simplicity. Again, it is confusing for the mind, for you have been led and you have accepted. You have been led and you have been led and you have accepted non-truths. You have accepted distortions of the truth as your reality. Those are no longer acceptable. The more and more the divine awakens within each living being, within each creature of nature, the more and more the divinity comes to the surface, the more unacceptable it will be to live in lies. The more unacceptable it will be to live in violence. We are Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame, opening your hearts to the flame tonight. As you come into the end of this year and you begin to walk into the new year, I give you the violet flame. We will come together and give you, through this channel and many others, New Year's awareness, new energies, new vibrations, new invocation, new vibrational energies to help you move through this transformation, this transitory year, this time that's coming up. Remember, you will see changes in politics, in healing, health, medical discoveries, and in spirituality, in religions. Embrace those changes. Be the light. Accept your divinity and your divine natures. Use the water that you've blessed tonight. Pour yourself a cup full and put it in a bath. Take a small vial of it down to the river, stream, water nearby, and throw it out and multiply. You will find joy when you understand the vibratory nature of the divine and how it can influence and how it can infuse and how it can spread. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, wrapping you in the cloak of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. Breathe the energy vibration of the amethyst ray through your spinal cord, through your body today. Breathe it in. Open every pore in your body simply by declaring it within. Let the divine take over and open the pores in the body. As you open the pores in the body, breathe in. Take some of your blessed water in your body and let it sit in your mouth before you swallow it. Let that body flow in, guiding you towards your own divine nature, guiding you towards remembering, I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame, your brother in this movement, your reflection in this movement. You are me and I am you, and all of us together are the guardians of this age. By accepting your divine nature, being with your divine nature, by accepting the divine nature, you change and transform within you. Those feelings of discord, of depression, of fear, those feelings of shame, those feelings of sorrow, those feelings of frustration around the violence in the world, those feelings of confusion, those feelings of fear, when they come to the surface, know that I am here with you. When they come to the surface, know that your divine nature is seeking to infect more parts of the self, thus bringing up anything that needs transmutation, transformation. I am Saint Germaine. Oh yes, indeed. This is a time to rejoice. This is time to rejoice in the birth not of the Savior, in the birth of the saved, in the birth of yourselves. You are saving yourselves. You are accepting your divinity. You are moving forward in love and in light. And as you move forward in love, light, and awareness, as you move forward in acceptance of your divine nature and your human nature and their ability to become one, as you move forward in that, your vibrational body changes, your cells change, you change. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine. Flow, flow. Infusion of energy will continue to gently flow through you. The nature of water is much like the nature of the divine in that it is very fluid. It is very accepting. It is very gentle and still and clear and powerful. The nature of water, the vibration, the element of it, can speak to you about your own emotional natures, about what you are releasing, what you are transforming, what you are changing. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. So use this water, this tool you have created. Use this water. How can you use it? Cook your food in it. Make your tea with it. Bathe in it. Anoint your forehead with it. Put it in a spray bottle with essential oils and flower essences. Use the vibration every day. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. And now I ask you to repeat once again the invocation for 2015 as you're coming down to the last days in this year. Reactivate the invocation within your nature. I am that I am, and I am light. Repeat it. I am that I am, and I am light. I am that I am, and I am spirit. I am that I am, and I am not deceived by illusions created by fear. I am that I am, and I am not deceived by illusions created by fear. I am that I am, and I am the shining light of truth for myself and for my world. In my Earth Walk 2015. I am that I am, and I am the shining light of truth for myself and for my world. In my Earth Walk 2015. The power of truth is part of the divine nature. The power of truth is part of the vibration in your divinity. You are the truth, you are the light, you are the way, you are divine. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germaine, be gentle with yourself. Now, one more time, I repeat, the need to be on the earth. The vibration of energy that is the magic of miracles is the vibration that was residue, if you would, from the great creation. And that residue moved through the earth. You breathed it, you lived it, you became it. Your life was full of miracles. Eventually, the extra energy was harnessed in a way to aggrandize. The aggrandizement of it created the flaw within it, and so the vibration changed on the earth. You are beginning to understand that now. Technology came into the world, and technology became imbalanced. And so the magic is coming in the world again, and the scales are vibrating. It's a time to come into wholeness, balancing your technological world with the great mystery, balancing your technological world with the divine nature within yourself. Something to think about it. Take some time on the earth, with all the elements of the earth, the water, the fire, the wind, the dirt and rocks themselves. Take some time on the earth as the end of the year winds down. Take some time in the next several days without technology. It does not have to be long time. Perhaps if you could give yourself an hour a day from now to the end of the year, you would be amazed at, and using that hour a day without the technology to focus on the divine nature, you would be amazed at how much change there is in your life. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame. Coming together this evening, focusing once more on the violet flame, the amethyst ray, drawing it through your pores with your breath now today. Draw it in. And Om 5 times with the palms open to close the circle tonight. As you come to the 5th Om, turn the open palms towards your chest and place them on your heart as the last Om vibrates through your body. First 4, open them, holding them out in front of you to receive. Last one, turning it back and feeling the vibration. Om. 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 Towards the heart. Om. Leaving the hands on the heart, palms encasing the vibration, holding your divine nature. I am Saint Germaine, guardian of the violet flame.